Hello traders, welcome to my channel Binary Master. Today in this video I am share with you my one of the high accuracy IQ option trading script. This trading script gives you 99% accuracy. Today I will take live trade with my live balance using this script. We also provide free signals on Telegram channel. Join our Telegram channel for copy my trades and don't forget to subscribe my channel or press the bell icon. Okay, now let's start the trading. First we need to set our script on trading chart. Let's add the script. Now we need to understand the script. We can see here buy sell arrow and yellow dot. Now let's explain the confirmation. Here yellow dot mean ready for signals, and buy sell arrow mean confirmation for placing the trade. Hope you understand. For better understand, don't skip video, watch my live trades. Now let's take some trade using this script. Don't skip and watch the full video. Okay guys, here we got a buy signal. Let's place the trade and wait for result. Our trade will be a winning trade. Wait for another signals. Here we got a sell signal. Let's take the trade. Our trade will be a winning trade. Wait for another signals. We got again a sell signal. Let's place the trade. Our trade will be a successful winning. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and join free Telegram. See you on another video. Goodbye for today. Happy trading.